Design a curve and two contours. Load them separately. And you can see that the desired result has been generated. This plugin is also suitable for things that require contours to build entities, such as gypsum lines. Set up a box and load it in. And you can see that the pipe rack can deform freely with the box. Which can greatly improve design accuracy and quickly achieve the desired rack. Pick up these grid lines and load them all in. You can see the structure of the pipeline rack and easily modify these parameters. And pipelines. Pick up these intersecting lines, load them all in. And you can see the road network generated, including diversion islands and zebra crossings. Saving a lot of time while improving work efficiency. It is very suitable for studios with sufficient orders but insufficient manpower, or if you want to make yourself easier. Finally, let me explain the usage of the scatter plugin. The model can be downloaded from Inkscape, exploded and loaded together, and then rendered using the V-Ray renderer after bake.